Well, the Cape Construction Expo is an interactive platform. It comprises of a two-day conference focusing on strategic side of construction, along with an interactive expo spanning over 2 days for companies to showcase their offering, their products, their solutions, and just to have a look at what's happening in the industry after all. The Cape Construction Expo 2013 was excellent. In itself, we have a number of the initial exhibitors at 2013 who have come back and who will be showcasing their product or service once again in 2014. So that in itself gives you an indication as to the success of the event, that they're associating themselves with again. The Cape Construction Expo would take place over 2 days. I have a conference that will be running over those 2 days, looking at strategic side of construction. I've got an expo which will take place showcasing the exhibitors, a number of companies. I'll have workshops taking place on the expo floor, which are interactive workshops, technical workshops around various parts of the industry. Cape Construction Expo is a very good platform for industry leaders and thought leaders to engage and to network and understand the industry and the market and see what's happening and what's new with regards to new technology, new products, new offerings. It's constantly evolving and changing, and ultimately just to stay abreast of the industry and market.